Hi everyone, this is Keith from CMT Orange Tools, and today we're going to be testing CMT's new 7 1/4 Extreme Demolition demo blade against the two most popular 7 1/4 demo blades on the market, the Diablo Demo Demon and the DeWalt DWAW 71424. To really challenge these blades, we're going to be testing them in a loose nail application, which allows the nail to move slightly during cutting. This is a much more difficult test for a demo blade and is truly what you will experience in the field while doing any demolition work. The fully embedded nail test that our competitors Diablo and DeWalt conduct is much easier on the blade since the nails are held in place solidly by the wood. First up is the Diablo Demo Demon. As you can see, it is starting out okay, but within 12 nails cut, the Diablo blade has lost 17 out of its 24 carbide teeth. Pretty much you need to toss this blade in the trash and put another blade on to complete any more cuts. Next up is the DeWalt Demo Blade. This blade is off to a slightly better start than the Diablo, but as you can see, at 16 nails cut, the DeWalt blade has lost 14 of its 24 carbide teeth. Once again, the only way to continue to cut is to put a new blade on your saw. Now let's give the new CMT XTREME Demolition blade a try. This blade uses a patented low-mass plate design and exclusive secured tooth geometry to provide a reduced blade mass and superior nail impact resistance, which produces substantial cutting efficiency over other traditional demo blades. In the first pass, you can see the CMT blade has cut more than double the other blades, with 40 nails cut and 0 teeth lost. Wow! Now 80 nails cut, and only 1 tooth has been lost on the CMT blade. The CMT blade keeps cutting at 120 nails cut, still only 1 tooth lost. "320 nails cut, and still only 1 tooth has been lost." The CMT blade has outperformed both the Diablo Demo Demon and the DeWalt Demo Blade by more than 20 times, and it is still going strong. Try it for yourself.